Hi, Tug Toler, eSource Miller, a Paradigm company. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean your Convotherm combi oven. Before you start to select whichever clean, always check to make sure you have chemicals. Convo Care is green. Convo Clean is red. Before starting the cleaning cycle, make sure to clean the gasket. This is a daily thing. Stay mild soap and water. You can use a sani bucket. Clean the gasket all the way around. And you're done. To select cleaning from the home screen, it's the icon that looks like a water drop with soap bubbles. It will bring you to whichever cleaning screen it was on last. The center icon is like the chef mode screen on the controls. You have to select the style of clean and the level of cleaning. If you don't set favorites, the staff will usually select Express and Level 4. Level 4 Express uses the most amount of chemicals. I strongly suggest to set up favorites. On favorites, to add, hit the plus sign in the bottom right of the favorite screen. Then select which style of clean. I suggest Eco Mode because it uses the least amount of chemicals. Then select which level of cleaning. I like Eco 2 with drying for a light clean. To save, hit Disk button on bottom right. Then name it. Hit check mark and select which icon you would like. I suggest you add another favorite of Eco 3 with drying and save it as Heavy Clean. To start cleaning cycle, select which cycle, then hit the green Start button. The oven will show this icon, which means open door and check for food in oven. After ensuring no food is in oven, close the door. If the oven is too hot to start the cleaning cycle, it will ask you to open the door and leave it open while it cools the oven down. It will tell you to close the door when the correct temperature of the oven is reached. Or, if the oven is already at the correct temperature, the cleaning cycle will start. You may cancel the cleaning cycle up until the unit dispenses the first chemicals without an automatic rinse. But once the chemical has been dispensed, and you cancel the clean, it will do an automatic rinse of 13 to 22 minutes. When the cycle is completed, the oven will alarm, just like when it is done with a cooking cycle. If no one is present, the alarm will turn off after 5 minutes. The unit will then go into a sleep mode. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe our channel on YouTube or follow us on other social media platforms. Until next time, bye.